My name is Fergus O'Brien and I'm Dŵr Cymru's Coastal Waters Manager. Homes in Llanelli are at risk of flooding because of a combination of two factors. First of all, there's the topography of the area. We've got hills to the north and the flatter, low-lying coastal areas. It's that rainfall landing in this area combines with the foul sewage from people's houses in the same pipes and runs rapidly down the hills before slowing down and backing up when it gets down to the coastal areas. And it's that backing up and pressure in the system that puts people at risk and puts their properties at risk of flooding. The problem can't be addressed by conventional storage solutions because they require us to build large concrete storage chambers that store the stormwater that arises during a storm and hold it until the rain abates and then feed that back into the network for treatment. But the amount of rainfall landing in this area is so large that we'd have to build enormous concrete chambers. For example, at Llanelli Sewage Works, the chamber there would have to be the size of 108 Olympic-sized swimming pools. It's not affordable, it's not operable or buildable, and it's certainly not sustainable. Our eventual solution was to develop a network of projects across the area that will prevent the rainfall from entering the sewerage network in the first place. We're going to allow it to get straight into the local watercourses without being contaminated by foul sewage in the networks in the first place. Now that creates more capacity in the existing pipes and therefore takes the pressure off pipework itself and stops customers from being put at risk of flooding.